In this video, I'll show you how to hide your Facebook info in just a few seconds. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon. Now, tap on the three-line menu icon. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. Inside Settings, find and tap on Privacy Checkup. Here, you'll see different privacy options. Tap on Who can see what you share. Now, tap Continue. Facebook will show different sections of your profile information like bio, email, phone number, and more. For each section, change the visibility to Only Me. This will hide your information from everyone else. Keep in mind, Facebook does not allow you to completely remove some profile details, but you can make them private. Once you've updated everything, go back to your profile. And that's it. Your Facebook info is now hidden from others. If this helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips.